guys, this is Angelic Double Tail once again, and in my last video, I wasn't able to get Ning to cooperate correctly when I was trying to make a new network, but this time I have gotten it to work, and I have gone to the next step. So I've just made a network under my name, Angelic Double Tail, and I'm on step number 2. So let's continue with making a new Ning network. So I'm just gonna make it a public network, and my tagline, I'm just putting anything. And keywords, the language, I'm going to keep that English, and country, United States. And click next. And this is where I can add the features to my site. I'll put in chat, music, and I'll put in forum, and just click next. And I'll choose a theme. I'll just choose one random theme and launch the site. There we go. So it's saying welcome to Angelic Double Tail, and I can invite members and customize the appearance and add content. So I'm gonna go into some apps to this, and so I can put a Twitter app, a Facebook app, well, an app that's kind of like the poke system on Facebook. So let me just add this Twitter app, and now I've added the app. Now go to manage, and here I can invite friends, see all the members, edit privacy, or broadcast a message. So I'm going to add new features, which you can add gifts, new features, Ning apps, latest activity, Flickr, Twitter, or Facebook. So I'm going to go to the features, and of course this is what you did before you made the network. You had to go through this. And this is where I added the music, chat, and forums. So I'm just going to cancel that. And oh, the Twitter app, you can actually link your Ning network with Twitter. And allow your members to post to Twitter from your site. So create Twitter app. It'll redirect you to Twitter. So just set the application icon. I'm just gonna do this randomly. I'm just gonna set it as my logo. And the application name is The application website is the URL to your Ning network. The organization, I could just put Angelic Double Tail. And the website, the homepage of the company or organization. Now, for this, I can just use my regular site. Now, your application type, you want to make sure that it's set to browser and not client. Because the browser uses the callback URL to return to your app after successful authorization. The client prompts your user to return to your application after approving access. So the browser automatically goes back while the client has to manually go back. And this should also be your Ning network URL. I can just copy and paste. The default access type. I'm not really sure about this, but I would suggest do read only. And you can use Twitter for login or not. It does not really matter. And just put in this CAPTCHA and make sure that you have everything that you need. Here is the application. Now you're going to need to know these. Know the consumer key, the consumer secret, because you're going to go back to the update Twitter app on your Ning network, and you're going to copy and paste the consumer key and the consumer secret into the boxes that are provided and update. And you want to save. So now when your users post on your network, it will automatically go to Twitter. So go back to manage, and if you go to Facebook, this is the same thing that I showed you on the whack wall in my last video. You can connect to Facebook and then create an app. So I'll show you guys how to do that as well. And I've signed into mine, so I'll connect and create a Facebook app and just click OK. Your Facebook integration is complete. You can edit your Facebook app